Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to reset talkback gestures settings in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for talkback options? We need to go to settings. Then we are looking for accessibility options here, and here we have our talkback. In here, in settings menu, we have customize gestures menu, and in here we can reset any custom gestures or any changes that we made right here. So we have a pop-up reset gestures, yes or no. This will reset all gestures to their default actions. This will you will lose any changes that you have made. Yes, please. And now we have our default gestures. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.